Hello my lovelies, I hope you are all doing well today. I am participating in a collaboration with @HomewithZane. He's asking us to decorate a surface in our home, showing you a before and after picture. I decided to do my coffee table. In my previous video, I showed you guys a couple of things that I hauled, and I definitely wanted to refresh this area just because, you know, Easter's gone and spring is halfway over. So let's go ahead and get this done. And this is the reveal, guys. I absolutely love it. I like how everything is nice and clean, very simple, not over cluttered. And I also like how I layered things, and everything has a little bit of a movement. You can see the different heights in the frames and in the flower arrangement. You also see the different heights in the candlesticks. So everything is very nicely layered. And I also went ahead and twisted the actual tray so that it has a little bit of a movement to it. So it's just another added layer to my design. If you're more traditional, you can absolutely just put it straight, and I might do that later on, but I'm really liking this look. I went ahead and added a candle. One of my favorite fragrances is the Black Cherry from Bath and Body Works. I love the way that everything came out. It just looks so nice and clean and shiny, and this is definitely my type of look. Thank you for joining me and watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you know, if you are an oldie but a goodie, I do change my style and my decorations often, so go ahead and subscribe so you can continue to watch my videos. Thank you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you can continue to see all my videos. Love you guys. Just a quick reminder, guys, I wanted to let you know that my master bedroom tour is coming up early next week. I'm just waiting for the lights to arrive so I can give you guys the best quality video. Love you guys. Take care. See you soon.